Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Daily Math. Here we have a geometry problem. We have a triangle. We know that this angle is 45 degrees and this side is 4 and 6, 10, and a square inside it. We want to find the area of the square, the colored area. Give it a try, then watch the solution. Good luck. Alright, so we have a square here. So this angle is 90 degrees and this is a right angle as well, obviously. Let's call the side of the square A, this is also A, and this segment's B. So now we have our first equation. A squared plus B squared is equal to 6 squared. Pythagoras for this triangle. Do we have anything else? Well, let's see. If I add this segment in here, the diagonal of the square, this angle is 45 degrees. Alright, now we have two similar triangles. Do you see them? Let me call this angle alpha. We have the triangle BDC with the angles 45 degrees and alpha. And we also have the triangle ABC with the same angles, 45 degrees and alpha. So we can say these are similar triangles. Now let's write the ratios. The ratio of BC to DC for the smaller triangle is equal to the ratio of AC to BC for the bigger triangle. DC is 6, AC is 10, and then we cross multiply. BC squared is 10 times 6, 60, and then BC, which is A plus B, is equal to square root 60. So we have this and this, and we should be able to calculate A and B. We want to find A. So let's do it the straightforward way. We have B equals square root 60 minus A, and then we replace it in here. A squared plus B squared, that's square root 60 minus A, quantity squared, is equal to 6 squared, 36. So we'll have A squared plus 60 minus 2 times square root 60 times A equals 36. 2 times A squared minus 2 times square root 60 times A plus 24, 60 minus 36 equals 0. So we divide everything by 2. We'll have this A squared minus square root 60 times A plus 12 is 0. And A is equal to square root 60 plus or minus square root 60 minus 4 times 12, 48. And that divided by 2. And it will be square root 15 plus or minus square root 3. Now seriously, plus or minus? Well, let's see. This is 45 degrees. And this angle is more than 90 degrees. That means this angle alpha is smaller than 45 degrees. That means the opposite side, A, must be smaller than the adjacent side, B. Did you get it? Now, in order for B to be greater than A, we have to take the minus sign here. If we take the plus sign, it will be the other way around. B will be smaller than A. And it just doesn't work here because alpha is smaller than 45 degrees. Alright, now the area of the square, A squared, is equal to 15 plus 3 minus 2 times square root 3 square root 15. And that's 18 minus 2 times 3, 6 times square root 5. That's it for this video. Tell us about your method, your approach to this problem. Thanks for watching. See you all my dear friends in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.